Hello friends, welcome you all to yet another interesting video. I am Sundar from Canary Capital Solutions. So when I meet so many type of investors, there is one question which keeps coming to me, asking, are mutual funds really safe? So I am going to explain to you how a mutual fund structure works and how your money is actually handled and what are the benefits you actually achieve by investing your money in mutual funds. So how does a mutual fund company actually work? Any company which wants to get into the business of mutual fund, invest money to start the business, they are called the sponsors or the owners of the business. Once they set up the company, what they do is they actually appoint trustees. Trustees is nothing but your board of directors who actually appoint AMC. AMC is Asset Management Company. So the board of directors does not get involved in the day-to-day operations of the mutual fund or the AMC. They actually appoint the professionals who are the fund managers who set the objectives of the scheme and run the fund. So the board of directors are the ones who actually appoint the AMC, which is the asset management company, which is run by fund managers who are the professionals who can actually manage the money. The board of directors only broadly gives directions to the AMC to run the fund, and the AMC launches different kinds of fund and each fund has objective and the fund manager has to stick to the objective. For example, if the fund launches a large cap fund, then things are very clearly defined as per the key information. Assuming the AMC starts a large cap funds, then they clearly define in the scheme information document that what are the kinds of investment they can do and what are the rules and regulations they will have to follow. So likewise, they can launch any number of schemes, but every scheme will have an objective and that objective will be monitored both by the board of directors and also by the regulator who is SEBI. The next important thing is each fund is like a trust. So whatever money the investors actually invest actually comes into the trust, and each unit holder who is the investor is one of the beneficiaries of the trust. So the AMC cannot access the money, the AMC can only manage money. The money is actually held with a custodian who is a third party. It could be any of the NSDL DPs, and there is also a registrar and transfer agents who actually look at what came in and what went out, maintaining the dividend history, everything put together like your CAMS and CARVI. So they are the registrar and transfers, and also there are auditors who actually audit all the stuff which happens within the fund. So even if something happens to the sponsor, like for example there were mutual funds launched by DHFL or Religare, these companies had trouble at the sponsor level, but any investor who invested in the schemes of DHFL or Religare did not have a problem in terms of losing their money because the money is actually held in a trust. So if the sponsor has a problem, it either sells the portfolio to somebody else so that another sponsor takes over, like any other business where one business goes for a trouble, the other person who is a competitor or a new entrant can actually buy out that business and they continue running the schemes. So the money what is invested by the investor is totally protected because the money is held in a trust. So the sponsor cannot access the investor's money to bail out their problems. The investment will have risk which is linked to the market risk or the investment risk, but it is not linked to the sponsor risk. So even if the sponsor fails or goes bankrupt, the money held in the mutual fund will not go for a toss. So that way it is one of the most or the risk-free kind of structure which is created. So all money invested in a mutual fund, the structure is so that the money cannot be taken out by anybody else, and it is well guarded by your custodians, your auditors, your registrar and transfer, and the board of directors, etc., etc. And also on top of everything is your regulator, which is SEBI, the Securities Exchange Board of India, which is a regulator for capital markets. So that way the structure is very simple. So any investor who is investing his money in a mutual fund can actually sleep peacefully, because there are many people who are actually looking after your money, and the mutual fund is only managing your money, for which they get a fees to manage your money. Another important thing is mutual fund is not a product. Many of us investors think that mutual fund is a product. Actually, mutual fund is a vehicle, meaning it can actually invest your money under professional guidance into any of the assets. You can invest in a gold mutual fund, you can invest in a debt fund, you can invest in international funds. Assuming you want to buy the Apples and the Facebooks of the world, you can actually invest in a mutual fund which can actually buy those stocks for you. You can also invest in Indian equity. You can also invest in real estate. So if you want to participate in the growth of real estate, one way of doing is actually giving the money to a REIT fund, where the money can be invested across commercial properties and also residential properties and across geographies. If you think across the globe, Hong Kong is one of the biggest real estate market, or Singapore or London or India, the fund can actually manage your money by buying those properties or renting out those properties and getting the rental income out of it and passing on to the investors. So mutual fund is actually a vehicle where it can manage money across different asset class based on the scheme objective. But generally people think mutual funds restrict themselves to investing only in equity and stock markets, which is actually not the case. So what are the advantages of actually investing in a mutual fund? Actually there are many, so I am going to point out some advantages which are very important that every investor should know. The most important thing is getting that professional management. Managing money is not a child's play. It is a very high skill-based professional work which needs to be handled by a professional who is well qualified, who can actually understand the strategies of how to invest your money and grow your money. Even by investing 5,000 rupees, you can actually get access to best of the fund managers in the country. So only in a mutual fund, even the smallest investor or the biggest investor, irrespective of the amount what you invest, both of them get a professional management. One is, it can bring you that diversification. Diversification meaning your money, if you are investing even 5,000 rupees, actually gets into 50 to 60 different securities across sectors. Even if you want to invest 5,000 rupees in a debt mutual fund, the money is actually spread across 50 to 60 different places. So that, as an individual investor, it is very difficult for you to do. Another thing is, it is very transparent. You will know exactly where your money is, what is the cost it is charging you, who is your fund manager, what is his experience, where all your money has been, what has been the past performance, and things like that. The next important thing is liquidity. When you make an investment, you should also have the ability to take out that money whenever you need. Mutual fund actually assures you that liquidity. So whenever you invest in any of the mutual funds, and when you need money, the mutual fund company makes sure that you get your money in the next couple of days, which is a big thing, which is not possible in a real estate or even in gold. When you want to sell gold, you need to actually look at where to sell gold. Another important thing is tax efficiency. So if you are investing in a debt fund, it is as equivalent to a FD, but it becomes very tax efficient the moment you cross 3 years, because mutual fund gives you that indexation benefit whereby your overall tax can be much lower. And even the long-term capital gains out of a mutual fund is only 10%, and also the first 1 lakh gain what you make is also tax free to you in a financial year. So that way it is very tax efficient. The next most important thing is equality. So what I mean by that is, if you want to deal with real estate, the person who can bargain the most always gets a better price, and the person who cannot bargain the most might actually get a lesser price, maybe 5 to 10% lesser than what the market is. Whereas in a mutual fund, whether you can bargain well or not bargain, you will get the same price as anybody else on a given date. So this actually removes most of your fears of that somebody can actually take your money because you're not good at managing your money. So this equality, I think no other asset gives you that. Ease of operation. Investing in a mutual fund and taking out money from a mutual fund is as easy as transferring your money from a bank account to another bank account. Low cost. This is another big advantage because to get a professional management, bringing so much of diversification, bringing in so much of transparency, all requires cost. But since this is managed for many millions of investors, the economies of scale operate, and as an investor you also get the benefit of lower cost. And all other investments need some amount of money to start with, whereas in a mutual fund you can actually start with as low as 1,000 rupees a month or 5,000 rupees one time. So that way even the smallest investor can participate and there is no limit to the upper amount of investing. So that way mutual fund actually is one of the best product, in fact one of the best vehicle for any retail investor to actually participate and really not bother about where to invest your money, how to make and things like that. All that as a retail investor you need to do is just invest based on your objective, align with a scheme objective and just stay through the course and you will definitely make a lot of money. Just to summarize what we saw in the video, mutual fund has a very good structure when it comes to keeping your money safe. The investment can be subject to the investment risk, but the money is not at stake because it is under a trust and you are one of the beneficiaries if you are invested in that fund. That way the structure is very foolproof. Mutual fund has got a lot of advantages, and as retail investors you can actually get benefited by just sticking to your objective and staying longer. Hope you enjoyed the information provided in this video. The next video is about what are the qualities a good investor should possess. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Canary Capital Solution, and please don't forget to press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching.